I'm excited to see Winger renovated. We have a definite need in this building for modernization. The renovations will give a sense of pride to the current fine and performing arts students. This will also help attract future students.
Our plans for Winger include providing faculty and students with better spaces for teaching and learning, and bringing new technology into the building to support programs like digital media arts and music technology that anticipate the future of careers in music and the arts.
I would love to have a lab space for my music education students, perhaps get rid of chalkboards and use more modern techniques, which would help in teaching and help in learning. There are also some practical things that go along with this upgrade to our facility. We need dedicated rehearsal spaces for all of our ensembles. We need an expanded storage space and safe acoustical practice rooms. We need climate control for the building, particularly when you are talking about instruments that are very expensive. Climate control will really help ensure they are maintained properly for as long as they're here.
One thing that's important to me is accessibility. With me not being able to use stairs, it limits what I have right now. But going forward, I think that it will open a lot of doors for people like me who don't necessarily have the opportunities now. I can't wait to see just the beauty that the art program and music program can have in a new space.
We've seen the positive effects on teaching and learning in our new spaces that are already on campus. I believe that the renovations will give our students the best chance to be creative and successful.
Thank you so much for making dreams like mine come true and allowing me to have a space that I can be creative in and thrive in as a student here on Manchester's campus.